Hello and good morning.
Good morning.
What a beautiful day that the Lord has made for us, and I'm just so happy to be here. I'm Cara Fleischer. I'm a Leon Soil and Water Conservation District Supervisor and also the organizer for Tallahassee Green Faith Alliance. And I'm here today to talk to you about air quality. How many of you either have asthma or know someone that has asthma? Raise your hand. Yes, I do too, and so do my kids, which is how I got started thinking and learning about air quality. Turns out in Tallahassee, we are a burn community, and there's a lot of smoke in the air that causes asthma, that makes asthma worse, can cause heart disease and cancer and a lot of health impacts. And what I'm really called to do is to help raise awareness that there are things that we could do to protect ourselves. So we live in a beautiful city with lots of trees and lots of forests around us. But unfortunately, that means that to manage the forest, there's prescribed burning that goes on at certain times of year, especially the spring and the fall, especially on the most beautiful days when everyone wants to be outside. And there's also very unnecessary backyard leaf burning that also really hurts our air quality in our neighborhoods. So what I wanted to share with you all is we can get the information we need to protect ourselves and to know what our air quality is. How many of you guys ever smell smoke in the air? Okay, well your nose is your best indicator that the air quality is bad. If you smell smoke, you can go online because everyone has phones. We can all check out a website. I want you guys to remember this. It is fire.airnow.gov. Now that website will take you to the EPA air monitoring website, and I have a flyer at my table. I'm happy to give it to you. You will see on that website what our air quality is. Now there's something called AQI, and it's basically just I got a picture of it, let me show you. It is a color system. There it is. It looks like a rainbow, and it is very easy to tell if the air quality is safe or dangerous. Green is great. Yellow is okay. Orange, you're getting into some problems, and red is unhealthy. Now, in the last week, we've had 2 unhealthy days in Tallahassee. Did anybody know that? No, you know why? Because we're not doing a good job of telling our public that we have dangerous air on some of these days. Unlike other places I've lived, like Atlanta, where they do reports in the paper, there's signs over the highways telling you if the air quality is unsafe, and there's even notifications on people's phones. So what I'm trying to do is raise awareness here in Tallahassee so we can keep our residents healthy and to take precautions. Now, if you smell smoke, check the air quality monitors online, and it's a orange or above. There's things you can do to keep yourself safe. First of all, you're all wearing masks, and that's a great thing. A year ago, I wouldn't have been able to say, well, everyone's used to wearing masks, but now we are. So if you smell smoke, put that mask on. That's gonna save your lungs. That's gonna save your health. If you can go inside, that's even better. Definitely don't exercise when it's smoky outside. And be aware, a lot of times in the afternoons, that's when sports at schools are happening, soccer games, track meets, in dangerous air conditions. Now, breathing that kind of smoke, it's called PM 2.5. That is particulate matter that is so tiny, it actually goes into your lungs and into your bloodstream, and it can cause all kinds of health problems. So I have a grant program that we are actually giving grants for the air monitors. If you wanted to have one at your church or school or organization, they run off of Wi-Fi, and they put the reading right on the internet. Now, you know, some of our in-town communities, we don't have very good coverage. And so I'm trying desperately to try to get some coverage so we can get some data on what's happening in some of our other communities in town, like our Southside communities. So they are also $250 if anybody wanted to just buy one. And I'm also getting some donations from people if anybody wanted to donate to me to be able to give them out to other people. So that's the story, that's the message. You know, take care of yourself. We live in a beautiful place, but we do deal with smoke. So please wear your mask and check out the air quality index so you can keep you and your family safe. Thank you.